Hey guys, it's Minecraft Experience and we're back with Sonic Dash 2 Boom. Sonic Boom. Okay, it says I can press into right here. Seems like I can't right now. Well, yes, this is my second video. This is my second video. Oh shit, that was loud. Okay, yes, we are still continuing playing this, and we have a event, Bad Nick Blizz, and I didn't want to play this right now because I want you guys to watch me play this. So we're gonna see what this is. Okay, let's do this, guys. Destroy 20 enemies. Easy peasy. Yeah. Ow, ow, ow. I'm losing because last time I wasn't that good at this. Over here. Okay. Okay. Whee! Whee! Oh. Die! 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 And this is hard because it's 30 enemies. Okay. Okay, no thanks. Today instead of doing 3, we are gonna do 4 instead. And I really need to do this some more. And we got something over here about our mail. What's in our mail? View. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, and it was just a simple thing, and we are gonna continue on this. Okay, we're gonna run, and let's do this. I don't really know how to dash. I think I forgot how to dash. If you guys watched it in my first video of this, I would like if you could tell me how to dash again, unless there was no dashing and I'm just going crazy. There we go, finally I got something right. Ow. Wee. 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 Okay, I'm gonna pick where Damie. Okay. I think I had to get like a lot of this blue stuff. Ooh, there's almost enough for me. Ah, I missed at my last try. I'm gonna try a free revive, and I'll be right back, guys, after this video. I'm back, guys, and here we go again. Yep, we still have our stuff. Dash, dash. Ah, no. I want to revive. And yeah, let's do this. What the hell? What the heck? Oh, I missed so much of that stuff. Oh, are you serious right now? Okay. That was 2. 2 more, guys. 2 more. We're almost to the number 2. Come on, let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Destroy their new enemies. Okay, we got this. We got this, doc. I should have got a lot more of those orbs. I don't even know what these orbs are for, guys. Ow! I couldn't dodge this. I can't dodge. What the heck? Okay, 3, 2. Ah! There we go. Whee! 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 Okay, I'm getting good at this, but not that much. Whee! Okay, ring magnet, 1 dashing. I'm going for Amy, cause she has the hammer, and I'm just gonna stay as Amy. Let's do this, suckers! And I'm also a Gravity Falls fan, if you did not know this. What the heck? Bro, what just happened? I didn't know this is happening. What the heck? What the heck? Yeah! Die, you stupid things! Wow, that was cool! Oh my gosh, Amy has a great power! Now to go with Sonic. And let's go! I'm doing pretty good at this, guys. Ow. Oh shoot. Whee! And boom. I'm ready to dash. Let's do this. Woo! 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 Woosome. Woosome. What the? Oh, that was unfair. Oh, what? I went too fast. Okay. Time for the final one, guys, and then we're gonna have to say goodbye. Yes, and we did it completely. Is there any? Seriously? Am I below 30? I don't think I'm in any place at all. Let's see who's in first place. This is gonna take a while. Oh. This is gonna take a while, guys. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, in first place is Janet. In first place. Congratulations, Janet, if you're watching me right now. And she has a silver prize, and she has 841 as her high score. Okay, guys, we are gonna keep on doing this because we have 1 ticket left. So we are gonna do this awesomely. And I would like to congratulate all the other 5. Jason, Juan, T, and Roy. And let's do this, guys. Okay, anyway. Let's do I got none. Ooh. This is gonna be, okay, ready? Oh yeah, I played this, guys, on my mom's phone. If you want to play with me, my name is Black. Oh no, that's not the one. That's. Oh wait, it is, but I don't know how they changed it. Okay, guys, ready? 3, 2. Free revive. That was so unfair right now. Like literally, that was so unfair. So unfair. Okay, I'm ready to dodge this. Unless I spawn in front of it. I mean, like behind it. Otherwise, well, you see later. 3.
Or turn it into gift cards at your favorite stores.
Come on. We can do this, 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 we can do this. 3. Please tell me we... Yes, we do. Wee! What is this? What is this? What? Settings. We're gonna... I'll be right back, guys. Well, guys, I ran out of rings, so I cannot do this. But let's see if we can get another team member. And probably we will not. No, we don't, because we only have 10. Well, anyway, guys, this was fun talking, and I will be doing some more Plants vs. Zombies soon, and maybe I could be playing with some friends of mine. And I'll see you next time. I'll see you, ladies and gents. Goodbye.